Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter control and coordination, and in that we are studying topic structure of brain. The brain consists of various regions and it is the master control gland. So let's study and find out about brain today. Brain consists or controls your various neurological activity. Basically, the functioning of your body is done by this master control gland, which is your brain. The brain is associated with skull, meninges, outer covering. Just beneath your skull, you find three different meninges, that is dura mater, arachnoid matter, and pia mater. Now, these are the protections or coverings of the brain, and below that you find your brain. Brain is covered with lot of lobes, if you see, and three main regions. These three main regions are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain is also known as lobes region. It consists of olfactory lobes, cerebrum, and diencephalon. Whereas your midbrain consists of two different regions, corpora cortegina and scura cerebra. And finally, your hindbrain, which is the last part. It consists of cerebellum, medulla oblongata, or simply you say brainstem, and pons ferula. All these parts associate and coordinate effectively to carry out the functioning of the brain. Brain. Now, brain is actually present in the anterior part of your CNS or central nervous system. Its approximate weight is 1400 grams and it is present in your cavity, which is called as cranial cavity. Just at the cranial cavity, we all know that there is skull present, and inside that there is a lot of CSF, which is cerebrospinal fluid, that acts as a shock absorber. Now, just below your skull and within the cerebrospinal fluids, there are three different matters: the dura mater, arachnoid matter, and pia mater, which gives protection or covering to the brain. There are three different regions to brain: the forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain. The three different regions of brain are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Now, forebrain is also called as procephalon, that consists of cerebrum, olfactory lobe, and diencephalon. Your midbrain is called as mesencephalon, that consists of corpora quadrigemina and cura cerebral. And finally, your hindbrain, which is also known as dromencephalon. Now, this consists of cerebellum, medulla oblongata, which is your brainstem, and finally your pons ferula. Brains also consist of a lot of ventricles, and in that a lot of regions like thinking, questioning are associated with it. So students, today we did study about brain, and I hope you are clear with this concept. Thank you.